Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to block anyone on Facebook. To do this, you go to the Facebook application. Then you need to click on that person's account and click on the three dots at the top of the screen. And this is where you click block. Done. Eyes has already blocked that person. Now he won't be able to view your profile or write to you. But we can unblock him. How do we do that? To do that, you click on the menu. Here you go down a little bit lower and click on Settings and Privacy. And then you go to Settings and Privacy. Then you go further down and you find the Settings item. It can be lower or you can find it through search. In the search, just type in block and find the item Blocked People. Click on it, and here you will find a list of all the people you have blocked on Facebook. To unblock, you click Unblock. Clicked, and now we've already unblocked that person. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later, friends.